plays included Romeo Juliet, Macbeth, Othello, Hamlet, and King Lear.
Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness.
April 23rd is also celebrated as World Book Day in his honor.
Hey, I did not mean realize. Break the ice means to make people feel comfortable and start the conversation. Throw in the towel means to give up, which means to stop trying.
You look more suspicious.
Nothing.
Come on, spill the beans. Hey, no, I did not mean to literally spill the beans.
I was working on this project from the house and I making much progress.
Sounds like spinning the wheel, which means working hard, not doing any progress.
It tells us what and when. There are 5 types of adverbs. First, the adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how action happens. Example: beautifully, was used to create an expression or using words in an imaginative way. It enhances language by adding creativity, emphasizes, and clarity. Common types include simile, metaphor, personification, and adjective when it describes a noun or pronoun. Adjective makes sentences more descriptive and meaningful. We use adjective to describe quality of noun to show quantity or number to indicate possessions and so on. They have different kinds of adjective functions. There are 3 types of tenses. Present tense. Happening now. There are simple present tense. The structure is a word that names a person, place, things or idea. And it is the basic part of noun to avoid repetition. Personal pronoun. It used for a specific person or a thing. Example: I, you, he, she, or it.